Everyone, so today I'm going to today I'm going to show up last time. Basically, I how the game looks, basic concept. So my game based on I will use the Unreal Engine. The game is about like purify a haunted house, and later it will be basically a cooperative game. Let This first time rearranging is very slowly, but it's fine. Another good reference is Overcooked, so basically a different games. Basically the third person fit better. The project's name is House of Whispers. Even though it's a game about ghosts, wouldn't be scared. I remember a game pretty similar, but like I imagine the gameplay, like the visuals. I will try to find later the I will not focus on anything of art in the beginning, just like gameplay and prototyping. And like first of all, I already oh shit. I already created like a repository for just because it takes some time. My computer don't have like a already set up um, Git, so I did before. Um, and okay, let's waiting for the Unreal to create the project. Um, I will try to find the reference. Phasmophobia is another reference I will place there. Okay, let me get a good image of Phasmophobia that get the concept I would like to have. I don't remember top down. I think top down maybe this one. I think yeah, okay. I will not found this, but like if I found it later, I will just place here. Uh, yeah. So okay, let me check. Okay, we'll finish it. Uh, so let me fix my mistake, which is basically move this project to the corrective folder. I think it's. Let me just check where it's created. Document summary project. Project. The whisper. Yeah. Copy everything to my repository. Okay, for who don't knows, I prefer like to launch the Rider project, and then it's because it's a C++ configuration. I prefer to launch the Rider and then run the Unreal from the Rider instead of have it standalone running. Uh, Let me check if it will be possible. Phasmophobia. Um, a good concept of phasmophobia would you like to use is basically the buy phase. And and like in my game, ghosts shouldn't kill the players, but like make the madness level. Yeah, the madness basically increase as you stay in the same room as a ghost. So, oh my god, that's what's happening. Okay, open three riders. Yeah, so the madness will increase, and you sometimes get crazy and lose control of your character, and like one of your teammates need to go there and basically rescue from uh, from this state of madness. Um, if all the players basically got crazy, then you lose the game. This initial project comes with a lot of like stuff. I probably won't use a lot of things here, but like as a basic project, it's okay, no problem. Um, it will another stuff. We won't have like a network. It'll be basically local co-op, um, and yeah, that's it. I probably should been doing this setup offline because it took a lot of time, but that's okay. um, Processing Unreal stuff. Blah, 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 blah. start to build up the project. Let's go. In the meantime, I will start writing some tasks I need to do. I probably will use like some simple management tool like Trello. Let me just, I'll just log in with my account. Who uses Outlook? Ignore. English. Okay, I changed the language, but still, still the same. Maybe this don't do anything. Um, okay, so no. Hello, Rafael. Half slow. So yeah, this game will not having a network part. Only a local cooperative mode. That's because it's hard to do like a good network. I don't would like to pay for dedicated dedicated servers, and the idea of the channel and the idea behind um, the games is basically start something, create a good stuff, and finish it from scratch. So I will probably use some assets from the Unreal Store, but like most of the things I will do from scratch, mostly gameplay and yeah, other stuffs. So this is the project, the basic project. This is like a third person sample from Unreal. You can jump in the game. You probably will probably will not jump. So I already can remove this feature. Other thing is the camera. The camera is linked with the character. So if I check the blueprint, I have like the third person blueprint. And as you can see, this character already have a camera. So this defines how the um, how the camera will behave with this character. So I think the first thing I can do is remove the ability to jump. Let me check. I did some stuff with the real physics, but and gameplay, but never create a game from scratch in the Unreal. So I probably start lost. Uh, so let me check. Um, First thing first, let me see the blueprint of this. Okay. So we have a script. I know a lot some stuff from Real. So this script is the same as I checking in this view. This is the C++ part, and I can like expose stuff for blueprint. So as you can see in the blueprint, I have this jump action. So I can probably find like a jump action. Oh, jump. Uh, can jump. Okay. So yeah, now my player probably cannot jump anymore. Yeah, okay, he cannot jump. That's great. Um, okay, so but I think let me check if the physics how the physics lose. Okay, he can still fall. I probably will lock the yeah, I'll probably lock the physics in the ZX. Um, but for now, that's enough. The second stuff is about the camera. I think the camera is configured. Okay, the camera is configured in the C++. Let me just. Okay, so this is probably the component that's a spring arm component. This component tries to maintain its child in a fixed distance from the parent, but will retract and children collisions. Uh, this looks good, but I think in my case I don't need anything like this. Like both of those games I had as reference. Basically the angle of the camera is fixed, so like for Overcooked is totally fixed. Uh, but for outer space, it's have like a small range. Let me just try to draw in the screen. Uh, I don't know how to take a print screen. uh, okay, I will give up. But like it's like a small square in the middle, close to the player. That like if he walks in this area, nothing happens. If he like pass this area, the camera start to follow him, like going through those directions. And I think that's very good. I think it needs to be small, but like the point is the camera is fixed. So I probably don't need this component. Um, One thing to look before just take off this is basically how Unreal creates this component. So basically, it's creates like a sub-object of my like character component, and then it's attached to the hood. Okay, and okay, I think that's work. If you like, um, I just turn off the Paul control rotation. Paul is basically my player, so a pawn in the game um, is basically the player that it's movable. It's not like my the player. It's can be an NPC, any character in the game that can move or do anything. It's a pawn. So okay. Um, in the follow camera. Okay. So now Okay. It's fixed, so how can see it's my my headset just turned off. So it's fixed. Uh, so it's looking to where I look. Let me just uh take a look how it's like in the game. Okay, so I'll put like higher, and I think this is how it looks like. Let me just check. Okay, it's basically this. Um, yeah, great. Um, the only thing it's I need to like shouldn't be like a child of my component because as you can see when I rotate, everything rotates with my character, so I probably need to change the structure in the code to match this. So basically, this is my player, this is the camera. I need the camera out of the player. Um, I cannot like do this kind of thing, like just change because it's created in the code. So I need to come here and change this. So as you can see, I have my camera boom, which is a child of my hood component, and the camera, which is a child from the camera boom. So that's create the hierarchy you just saw, and I will think here what happened if I pass like a new reference here. I don't actually know if that works, but like I expected to the camera don't have like attached to anything. Just exists in the void. Okay, that's what I was expecting. Uh, but as you can see, the camera don't look like it's working. It's in the right place. So let me just find my camera. I can in real I cannot. The player is spawned after I press play. So like I cannot change here like in Unity and save. I need to yeah I need to come here and find a good place to put my camera and then apply uh, in the blueprint. Where's my camera? My camera, camera, camera. Oh my god. Why I cannot find my camera? No. I think I just changed the visualization. Oh, that's very cool. Didn't know that was the stuff. Me trying to find player camera manager. So I found my camera. I cannot change anything here probably because okay, probably because of the component, like the camera boom, probably. Yeah. So as you can see, the camera is the same is in this exactly location. So I'll not try to change in there because it's useless. I will just create the code that follow the player. But yeah, just to let you know. So first thing to do this, I will um, basically create a offset for the camera adjustments in runtime. So I will create an offset to player be able to change the camera, to change like small tweaks to the camera that follow him. So okay, I have. I don't think I have like a vector. I transform stuff. Let me just check if that's a thing in real. A character, component movement, character, angle, blah blah blah. F vector. Okay, so I have like something like a vector tree. Um, um, so it should be visible in anywhere, and Blueprint should be able to. I should be able to edit this in Blueprint. You will see this appearing in the character Blueprint after I do this. So basically, um, okay, camera offset. Um, why that's tell me that I cannot do this. I know I can do this. Oh, it's up. I put in the wrong area, right? Okay. Okay. So, okay, now I have my offset, and I need to do stuff like this. I know we have like a tick, 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 a tick. Uh, here. So this is basically the update function. Um, yeah, okay. So this is basically the tick function from Unreal. I wouldn't, I will not look, implement it direct in this class. So I just do this, come here, and I have this. So what it should do? This will basically make the position of the camera be the same as the player plus the offset. So I have my camera boom, which is my um, position, no, transform. Okay. I'll get like my um actually I don't need this. I can get like just my get like transform actor actor to the word transform. That works very well. So I have my transform. So character transform. And if I just, yeah, here it is. So actually here, edge component transform, set transform, or transform. Okay, but like the rotations, I think I would like to keep the same. That were location. Get location. Okay, so basically plus or camera offset. So basically this will solve our problem for now. What I expect to happen is the camera appears inside the player, and then I would just make the adjustment in the camera offset, like to have this kind of look. Okay, let me play. Oh, this is actually pretty good already. Why? Let me check. But let me just show some cool stuff about Unreal. So as I create like this camera offset, here it is. So how you can see how, oh, I know why. It's because of the basically the spring. It's not allow the camera to like get closer than this to the player. I don't know if I like this. I probably will go for something like don't have this component as I won't use it. So what I need to do is just like set the attachment for this to be new. Okay, nothing. Yeah, follow camera is okay and okay name, and these go away. So let me just erase this first and then clean up this. Okay, now I think that's enough. So I remove this component just because I'm not using it. And don't make sense to me to keep it just to have like the extra complexity attached to follow camera to my system. Okay, let me see. Oh, that was I expecting before, which is basically the camera inside my player. So if I run jump here, oh, I turn off the jump, but like I think I didn't save it. So I can jump. No, cannot jump. Camera offset. As you can see, I changed in the code and already changed here the hierarchy. Uh, Motherfucker. Let me see if why this visible blueprint to right, uh, red and right blueprint. No, that should be enough. Why it's not? I cannot take. Oh, I know. I probably know. Let me just thinking about it. 0, 0. people anywhere. Print, read and write. I forgot to make the letters bigger. So sorry. Okay. So okay. Um, we just do a thing before. Toma esse ad. I'll just will play like a song in the background. It's make it easier for me to think. Okay. Um, so blueprint read and write, visible anywhere, no property, can edit anywhere. Oh, I see. So this looks like this way. Um, that's it. Okay, so I have my stuff done. So camera offset. Yeah, so now I can edit it. I will put like 400. Okay, in real it's different. So this is the up up axis. So Z is the up axis, and I Y is minus. And okay, let me see how it looks like. I can edit in runtime, but like I'd like to give a good guess. A good guess. Okay, third person character. Camera offset, camera offset, camera offset. Uh, 0. Okay. I think this looks good. I need to fix another thing because like I pressing the player is following my mouse, so I just pressing like forward and moving my mouse, so I need to fix it this, and but I think the camera looks okay. I maybe just change a little bit the angle. Um, Let me just see how much I need to change this angle. Maybe something like this. Yeah, okay, that's so fine. So 54, and the other one is uh minus 6. And the camera is where is where is the view? What where I can change the rotation values? Where? Just don't make sense. Why I cannot? It should be very easy to find this. um, Angle maybe. Angle. Oh, yeah, actually I don't have idea. I will leave this way. So if I play now, it looks like what I want before. Uh, okay, so now I will disable the usage of my mouse. So let me check how to do this mouse movement. Um, Probably there is a configuration for this. I don't think they want to have like something that I cannot disable to just don't use my mouse, you know? Um, oh, oh no, it's not here. Character movement. Okay, so swimming or flying, custom movement, orient rotation to movement. No, no. Orient rotation to movement is okay. I think that's it. Basically, it was a control design rotation. This is one thing, and the other thing is disable my mouse. Let me check for mouse. Input, maybe. Look input, look action, AI look here. Okay, well, let me see if it does work. Okay, my mouse is not doing anything anymore, and I can just wow. That's great. I think that's a good start because I have like almost everything I need to start a game. So it was very tricky to these configurations, so I need to do this first. Um, like for the gameplay, I think that's a good stuff. Another good stuff for Unreal is basically how I can set up like my characters. So as you can see, I have like a player start here, but if I duplicate it to player start 2, I can have like two characters spawning in the game. So number of players and play, I have like two characters. I just need to check because I would like them to locally work. Play as client. Okay, so basically this is what I this is what I was talking about. But I don't think this is running like totally locally. I basically um, as I play as client, they connect to like Unreal creates like a server for me and connect my both players into this server, and that is not something I would like. So I need to check how. Um, I need to check how this looks like. Okay, that looks pretty easy. So let me see the uh, projection map emotes. Uh, I know I can like create a game mode that spawns to players. That's not hard to do. Uh, but if there is something that uses, oh, okay. So okay, here I have like the local player. I don't do like to use split screen for local. Okay, I will use the game mode of okay, base game mode. Default pawn. Okay, so this is not handled well, like multiple multiple local players. So I need to have like one with two players. Um, what if I assign like a new keyboard for this, new input for the second player? Let me see if the Unreal handles better this way. I'm just gonna skip assign gamepad to the first player. Looks interesting because like if I connect my gamepad into the in my computer, my default game mode is out of Whisper's game mode. I would do. I would try to just do as the AI said, and this is strange. Like because this looks like has been made like for supports one player, just one. Um, And another thing, it's I should have my camera inside the player. I probably should spawn it. Uh, and not in the game mode, not in the. Okay, I will try to do this way. So I will fix this first, which is basically my follow camera. Uh, okay, so let's go to my game mode. And the stuff related to this will also go to my game mode. Um, I'm reaching my time, my time here, so probably more some minutes of live, and then I will just commit the first first thing of the game. Um, but okay, I'll try to finish this very quickly. So I have this. I have to like get function to my. Oh no, I got it. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. So in my game mode, this is not like my player. It's basically oh this is basically my oh I see. Um, Player controller list. Player controller in the world. How this is added? Add controller. Who calls this one? Word. Loaded word. Add controller. Initialize components. Controller. A actor. A controller. Yeah, no, that makes way more sense. So that's great. That's great actually. I can do something like this in my game mode. Like I can use this one. Wait, player world. Get world. Controller ID -1. Spawn player controller. True. It's basically this. So let me define um, what is this? What's it turns out? Uh, Players. Uh, Okay, I will add 2 players. Let me see if this work. And I'll always get like the first one. Player 0. Get player. Get trans. What is this? This should have a controller. Player. Actor. Get actor. What? What the fuck? So yeah, okay. I knowledgeable pawn. Yeah, maybe this one have my transformer. Yeah, transformer. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Camera offset. I need this as well. So character. Goodbye. Camera offset. Oh no. Need to just copy those values. How can I copy it? I cannot. Um, okay, so this is the camera configuration. Okay, and yeah, that's it. I need to check if this work actually work. Uh, oh, save whatever. Let me see if this actually work because it's okay, whatever. I don't have any more cameras, my friend. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, play. Okay, I know that the camera stuff didn't work because this shouldn't. This should appears here. Uh, Let me enter in. Oh, okay. So just one player. Mm, Let me check if I'm using the right stuff. Um, okay, first thing is player start. I'll remove the player start company. Oh shit, the player start company, and I will check if I. Okay, I'm using the right mode. But I did something wrong, which is the game mode have a base method that calls on begin player or begin play. I don't know exactly. Begin play. Okay, here. So I think I should use this one. No, I don't like. Okay, this this one is protected. Here should be above actually. Okay, so this stuff here should be um, okay. And that's it. Let me see if now it will work in. Dun, 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 dun. And crash. Why? Um, crash it here because I probably cannot create sub-object. Um, create default. Um, oh, that's why, why? Let me just see the message. It's because basically there's no sub-object for this. Should I create this in the? I will place like a new bound point player stage. Okay, just to have one. Okay, what's the problem is basically nothing that I know. I think this one didn't create right, and this one uh, didn't work as well. So I need to search how to create a about sub object in the game mode Unreal Engine. I know what's happening. So this needs to be here. The other part shouldn't. Just checking if it. Okay, so just create my camera. Like I just need to probably increase. So I need to increase the. Let me check if it's working. Okay, it's working. Oh, there is two player here. Oh my god, it's working. Um, so I probably need to increase my camera. Let me just check if and my player have. I still have a camera. Okay, no, that's a good stuff. And let me search for find Find camera when find camera component and view target. Okay. Um. Okay. Oh, no. No, I don't need this. Turn off. This is still. I need to check. If I follow camera, layer camera mirror. Oh, what is this? I cannot go to this visible. I think it should this exist like priority stuff. I will mark all those as non-visible. Uh, okay, still have a camera. Don't know why, but that's the point. Camera. Mhm. If I just delete this. Oh, I went to a second camera. If I delete this one, I delete all the cameras. Uh, my camera is not appearing here. Like should be called follow camera. Um, Create. Yeah, the only way to create things. Actor. My right here is pretty strange. You priority. Add. Um, field of view. Okay, let me just check here again. Maybe I don't need to do this anymore. Let me just. At least it's working. I don't like to live up with this issue, but I start to see no quick solution for this, so I probably give up for now. And next time I will try again. I need first to learn how can I disable this. Oh, I remember how to disable this default camera. It's in the controller. Um, Camera manager. So basically, camera manager class. I knew it. So in the player controller, um, so controller, let me check controller. Um, AI controller. No, I need this, but like, let me just check. I think this. My God, I remember, but I don't remember. Ah, my God. Um, apps and modes. I think. Oh, okay. I think that's was here. Blueprints, content. The house of first game mode. So here it is. I have like my player controller class. This player controller class is basically what's creating my camera. So so I need to I need to create like maybe player controller. And sheet manager, no. What is it? No, okay. So that's it. Uh, Here I set up this and this. Okay, so now in my third person. Oh my God. So if basically what is this saying? If I um okay, if the camera manager controller is different, so basically what I need to do. Oh, so so a lot of stuff. So basically what I need to do first is create a new camera manager controller. So blueprint camera manager controller. camera manager, and in this new camera manager I need to don't do nothing. Actor tick disable, visible. Because each player have your own camera manager, you know, there is no make sense to me to. I think that's it. Oh shit. Uh, okay, so now I need to. I think it's spawning my camera manager. Let me just. Okay, this is not my camera manager. Let me just check in the project settings if it's set up. Default game mode. Like game mode. Yeah, it's correctly. Font spawn, hold play state, game session. Yeah, why I cannot leave? Oh, respawn the. Hmm. I'm not speaking anything because I'm very concentrated here. Um, oh my god. Okay, I don't know exactly how to use camera in. Quero isso, eu quero. Câmera Hector aqui, ó. Tem esse merda aqui, vamos ver. Câmera Hector, beleza. Agora o meu third person que é o caralho que tá. Sorry, I lose my. I lose my mind. Um, so, okay, I will stop here and next time I will try to fix this issue. Let me just commit the first project. So basically we stage all. Just stage everything. It's a lot of thing. Okay, and commit it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot. And next time I probably fix this issue and implement some new stuff. Thank you.